Then Vizag, okay, Anantapur proposes 85. 85. 85. 85 as B. Malassezia furfurantina versicolor, right? So there is no question of, we are talking about tinea, dermatophyte infection. Malassezia furfur is more of tinea versicolor, right? So objection overruled. Then Vizag proposes 214. 214. 214. Okay, what do they propose? 214. C. What is C? Elevation, systolic and diastolic pressure do not become diagnostically significant until the BP values reach 140/90. It is not the absolute values which are the basis, as you can appreciate in this slide, that since it is very difficult to define the normal BP in the pregnant women, it is how much rise is there defines rather than absolute value. Elevation of 20 or more in the systolic component, 10 or more in the diastolic component during the pregnancy is then considered to be an abnormal value rather than the absolute pressure values. I hope that suffices. Objection overruled. Now, after 214, we go to Vizag's proposal of 195. 195. Okay, a 45-year-old, yeah, I think this already we have discussed. That had already been overruled. Highly selective vagotomy is a proposal, but highly selective vagotomy is bound with recurrences, which we don't want. Hence, we need to do a definitive procedure, and that would be anerectomy and truncal vagotomy. Objection overruled for 195. Then Vizag proposes 240. 1 minute. 1 minute. Why not B? 240. Why not B? It appears to be superior to IV immunoglobulin in children. Which one? Plasmapheresis? No. Yeah, it is, but it is not routinely used. There is no false about it. It is definitely superior, but only when IV immunoglobulins fail, then we go for plasmapheresis. So it's a B is a true statement. Objection overruled. Yeah, Anantapur proposes 191. 191. 191. Why not B? 42-year-old familial breast cancer, right? Yeah. Mother, 4 sisters, additional relatives undergoes her 5th breast biopsy for a palpable mass. Okay. See, the option is only between 2. Routine surveillance to be continued or prophylactic simple mastectomy. So, between the two, first preference would be for the routine surveillance instead of a wide local excision. Wide local excision is more often required if you are not very sure on the pathology, which is not the case in this clinical scenario. Overruled. 191. Okay, where are we? Right. Okay. Then Vizag proposes 202. 202. 202. Can you go to 202? 202. Huh. 202 proposed as B. No. They are not hematomatous, no, familial polyposis mein adenomatous polyposis it is. So, objection ruled out. 153 proposed by Vizag. 153. Okay. 153 they propose C. With regard to the X descent, right? First, what is the reason for the X descent? After the atrium contracts into ventricle, that is ventricular diastole is full, over. AV valves closed, atrium relaxes, pressure falls, and that leads to development of X descent, which is due to the atrial relaxation. If there is a tricuspid stenosis, what prevents atrium from relaxing? Nothing prevents. So X descent is not slowed in case of tricuspid stenosis. So ruled out. Okay. So that completes our journey through the today's NEET PG paper. So thanks for the patient listening to everybody, for all those who participated. Look forward to see you all on Sunday in the same address of livestream.com/dreamslearning for the discussion. Thank you.